BMW enthusiasts have been whispering about these for years. Not because they're the fastest, not because they're the most expensive, but because BMW may have accidentally made them too good. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Atlas Motor Co. Today's episode is low-key dangerous for BMW fans because these are the kinds of cars that make you start scrolling Facebook Marketplace at 2 a.m. convincing yourself you need another BMW. And we got what you need always at Atlas Motor Co. First up, this innocent-looking 2012 X3. Except this one has the engine. The forbidden X3. So Dan was actually telling me about this when I was filming it last week, and I was like, oh really? We gotta talk about this. So here's why this X3 is weirdly special. BMW only offered the naturally aspirated N52 inline 6 in the F25 X3 for a very short time before switching over to the turbocharged N24 cylinder, which means this body style combined with this engine is actually pretty uncommon. BMW enthusiasts love the N52 because it represents the end of an era. The last naturally aspirated BMW inline 6 engine before turbochargers completely took over. And listen, turbo BMWs are great, but there's something about the smoothness of an N52 that feels mechanical in a way modern BMWs don't anymore. This thing doesn't need fake exhaust noises. It doesn't need boost to create personality. It just feels BMW. And the crazy part, most people shopping for an X3 have no idea this version even exists. Some people accidentally buy the N20 turbo version thinking they're getting the legendary inline 6, then find out later, wrong engine, buddy. Alright, so we got all this information on the website about the car, but just to walk through it, I mean, Southern ownership, clean Carfax, pretty good options, repairs already done. We list that all for you, and you can call. They will fill you in on any questions that you may have that we already don't have listed and answered for you. But this also is like the spec lottery of this generation X3. It's got the M Sport package, technology package, surround view cameras, panoramic sunroof. Like back in 2012, this thing stickered for over $50,000. And honestly, these options still feel modern today. Let's talk about the F87 M2 lore. The F87 M2 is one of those cars that people keep waiting to become ugly, and it just simply refuses. This thing still looks like it wants problems. Let's talk about, we got compact proportions, modern E46 energy, hydraulic-ish steering wheel, also, let's back up. Modern E46 energy. Some people were saying this should be the modern day M3, and I agree. But hydraulic-ish steering feel, aggressive stance, and community obsession. The lore around the F87 is simple. People believe it's the last BMW M car that still feels raw, and every year people get more emotional about them. This car looks like it cuts people off with confidence. The rear fenders on this thing are built like a gym influencer. Every F87 owner somehow knows a tunnel nearby, and honestly, when I see one and I'm in my Jeep and there's a tunnel, I roll my windows down too. All right, and before we head out, just wanted to highlight this 440xi hardtop right here. This might secretly be the best daily here. I mean, this folding hardtop gives you coupe security and convertible energy. I'll be honest, when I pulled up to the lot today, I didn't even know this was a hardtop. I didn't know it was a convertible. But yeah, the white interior with the black exterior, casino spec. This is just beautiful. But yeah, we got the hardtop disappearing, luxury GT feel, neck warmer, all-weather usability. This is the type of car where you accidentally volunteer to drive everywhere. It's just simple and it just works. Check it out. Got that listed, and all the other cars are listed as well. So now the question is, did BMW actually peak before everything became giant grills, fake engine sounds, and subscription features? Let us know in the comments which one you take, the forbidden N52 X3, the future classic F87 M2, or the luxury hardtop 440xi. Make sure to subscribe for more BMW content here at Atlas Motor Co. And if you're far from Raleigh, we ship nationwide every week. Catch you guys in the next episode.